Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've just installed a new Veise door lock, or maybe you need to update your access codes, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Veise door lock programming instructions. We'll walk through everything you need to know, from setting your master code to adding user codes, all in an easy-to-follow, step-by-step guide. So, whether you're a smart home pro or just getting started, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be a Veise lock programming expert. Section 1. Understanding your Veise locks basics. Before we jump into programming, let's quickly understand the essentials of your Veise door lock. Most Veise models operate with a master code and user codes. The master code is your administrative key, allowing you to add or delete other codes, while user codes are for daily access. Always keep your master code secure. Section 2. Initial setup. Setting your master code. This is the crucial first step for any Veise door lock programming. If you're setting up a brand new lock, you'll need to establish your master code. Locate the program button. On most Veise models, this button is on the interior side of the lock. You might need to remove a battery cover to access it. Press the program button. Press it once. You should hear a beep or see the keypad light up. Enter your master code. Input your desired 6 to 8-digit master code. Choose something memorable but secure. Press the lock button or check mark. This confirms your entry. Re-enter your master code. For verification, enter it again. Press the lock button or check mark again. You should hear a confirmation beep indicating your master code is set. Section 3. Adding user codes for daily access. Now that your master code is set, let's add some user codes for your family or guests. This is a common part of Veise door lock programming instructions for multi-user households. Press the program button once. Enter your master code, then press the lock button. Press 1 on the keypad for adding user codes. Enter your new 4 to 6-digit user code. Press the lock button, re-enter the user code. Press the lock button again. You should hear a confirmation. You can repeat these steps to add multiple user codes. Remember, user codes should be different from your master code. Section 4. Deleting user codes. Sometimes you need to remove access, perhaps for a contractor or a previous guest. Deleting codes is just as important as adding them in Veise door lock programming. Press the program button once, enter your master code, then press the lock button. Press 2 on the keypad for deleting user codes. Enter the specific user code you wish to delete. Press the lock button. Re-enter the user code. Press the lock button again. The lock will confirm the deletion. The deleted code will no longer grant access. Section 5. Changing your master code. For security reasons, you might want to change your master code periodically. Press the program button once. Press and 3 on the keypad for changing master code. Enter your new 6-8-digit master code. Press the lock button. Re-enter your new master code. Press the lock button again. Your master code is now updated. Make sure to test it. Section 6. Troubleshooting. Common Veise programming issues. Running into trouble? Here are some quick fixes for common issues you might encounter during Veise door lock programming. No beep lights. Not responding, check your batteries. Low batteries are a frequent culprit. Incorrect code entry. Ensure you're pressing the correct numbers and not rushing. Take your time. Forgetting master code. If you've forgotten your master code, you'll likely need to perform a factory reset. This will erase all existing codes. Consult your Veise manual for specific factory reset instructions for your model, as it often involves a button on the interior assembly. Lock not locking, shut unlocking. After programming, always test your codes. If issues persist, check the physical installation of the lock. Here are a few extra tips for managing your Veise door lock. Security first. Never share your master code. Only give user codes to trusted individuals. Regular battery checks. Veise locks will typically warn you when batteries are low, but it's good practice to check them every 6 to 12 months. Keep your manual handy. While this video covers general Veise door lock programming instructions, your specific model's manual will have precise details for any advanced features. Testing is key. After any programming change, always test the codes to ensure they work as expected. And that's it! You've successfully learned the Veise door lock programming instructions for managing your home security. We hope this step-by-step guide was helpful and made the process simple and straightforward. If you found this video useful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with anyone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more smart home tips, electronic lock tutorials, and product reviews. If you have any questions or ran into a specific issue, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.